Pandas. 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 Pandas, pandas, pandas. 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 Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everyone. You guys are amazing. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm buy money, and every single day we trade in Nascraq. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat. Good morning, something. Get in there, get in that chat. If we ever hit that 100 like goal, then we'll do a $100 giveaway. One day I believe we'll hit it, pandas. One day I believe the pandas will unite. And you together will hit the $100 giveaway. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Trading an ass crack here. Top left of your screen, you can see we're about 3K up on all our accounts here. A little more than 3K. They're kind of all over the place right now, all my accounts. But they're all around the 3,500, 3,800 area. More or less. More or less. Pandas. No news today. No news today. Quick look at the daily chart. A break of trend to new high, making new all-time high. But strong bull bars leading all the way up to it, pausing right at the all-time high. We'll see what happens here. Weekly chart. Strong bull bar ending on its high. We're looking for follow through here on the weekly chart. Let's see if we get it. 5-minute chart. Let's see yesterday's price action after we left. Yeah, it was just like super choppy day. Super very choppy day. And very hard to trade. We eventually do hit. Wow. Dips down, comes right back up. Jeez Louise. Yeah, we hit a measure move here. We have this big leg down. Slow grind up. Slow grind down. All of a sudden flush down. Traders realize, oh yeah, we're going to make the measure move. They make the measure move, take their profits, reverse it back up. Today is this day, the day of measure moves. And we got another push up. Let's see. We didn't quite get there. We didn't quite get there, pandas. Very interesting price action here. We're currently down 200 because I tried to take a second entry long here. Good signal bar coming off the trend line. Also a 20 EMA. 20 EMA is curling down a little bit. Got flattened here a little bit, so became more sus. But I thought it was worth trade, worth the risk because the risk was small. Pandas. Let me say good morning to a couple of you guys. Crimson Demon, good morning. Benali Hawk, good morning. Bill Sim, good morning. Nascraq, that like button. Whoo! Bob Stocks, good morning, Sensei. Quick question. Is your EMA 20 or 21? 20. Steven Hinkle says, why did you make the switch to NQ? If I just show you, I mean, this was the EMINI. This was the EMINI. I mean, it's too painful to trade the E-mini. I'll just tell you that. The grind for the E-mini is incredibly slow. It's just more volatility, more opportunity. Overall, this doesn't make me want to go crazy. Dan Perry, sell, taking profit. All right. Milwaukee Trade, good morning. From Atlanta, Georgia. Welcome, welcome. Turtle Toes, good morning. Atlanta, Georgia. First break of trend. Could look for a new high here. Market's about to open in 15 seconds. Let's do a countdown at 10, pandas. Do it with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What in the world? What in tarnation? Ooh. What a push down. What a push down. How in the world am I supposed to go long here, pandas? Whoa! What is going on, pandas? This is crazy. This is crazy right now, pandas. Limit order market, pandas. Right off the bat. What is going on? That's crazy. Looking for new low. Got the new low. This is wild. I'm about to just buy here. I'm about to just buy here. I'm about just to buy around here. What in the world was that, pandas? What in tarnation was that? Alright, we're in. Are we dripping? Are we flushing here? I feel like we're in a limit order market right now. I'm not sure what's going on. Or are we? Are we just flushing here?
Target filled.
I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. What in tarnation is going on? What in tarnation is actually going on right now, pandas? What is happening? This market is just freaking out right now. Okay. Pushing up. Sure, why not? If we were to mark a trading range, how would it look like? Is the question. Whew. Maybe something like that. I don't know, pandas. Maybe something like that. I don't know. Who knows? Ooh. What do we have here? That's momentum. I mean, it's too far away from 20 EMA to really take this trap, but there could be strong momentum here. This could be blasting off here. This could blast off here. The risk was quite large actually to take. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 2500 tick. Now the trap that triggers and reverses, you never want to see that. Like if you're long here, you never want to see this reversal. It could pop, it could just flush down. But if that trap traps, yeah, that's a good sign if you're long. Very good sign. If I were to make a trading range, I guess it'll look something like this. We are breaking out here now. Remember that measure move on the 5-minute chart, pandas? I think we're going to try to hit that measure move on the 5-minute. It didn't quite make it yesterday, but it might make it right now. Quite a strong move up. Do I like it? Like, do I want to go long here? I don't know, pandas. I don't know. I just don't know. Nobody knows. And if I don't know, I don't feel comfortable trading. If I don't know what's going on, I don't know what to do. You know what I mean, pandas? If you can't understand the price action that's already been, then there's no way you're going to understand the price action that's going to be. Write that one down, pandas. Write it down. Write it down in the books. Just right off the dome. Right off the dome. Years and years of experience. Poet Panda, that's right. Panda's unburdened what has been. Oh, we got a second entry law. We're gonna go for it for no reason here. Take everything I said back. If you don't know what's going on, pretend you do. Little contention here, I believe. Signal bar is not the best either. Okay, dripping down. 20 EMA. Good bounce off the 20 EMA if we can get it here. Let's see if we can get a blast off here. I would love a blast off. Looks like we're hitting a resistance here. It's a second entry long, coming off the 20 MA. Strong uptrend, right at the top of a potential trading range. Let's see what is made of this. Let's see what the market's made of, pandas, today. Let's see what kind of resolve we have today, pandas. I mean, it traps above the 20 MA. I can't take the reversal, but I'll just take the hit. Jeez Louise, pandas. I mean, I should have gone short. I marked it as a resistance, and I went long right into it. Like I said, if you can't understand what has happened, there's no chance you're gonna know what's going to be. If you can't understand what's already happened, you can't understand what is going to be. Jeez, I mean, isn't that deep? Doesn't that make sense, pandas? Doesn't that make sense? I guess this is a resistance. I don't know. He says, Panda comes from a middle-class family. Not really. I earned myself the middle class. My family's poor. I pay my parents' rent. Panda comes from a middle class family. It's a Kamala saying. I don't know. I don't know the context. What's she trying to say? Kamala says she came from a middle class family or something. I don't know. I mean, look, we had a resistance here. We break down. I guess stopped out and it shoots right back up. What do we say here, pandas? What do we want here? What do we want to do here? Is the question. It was her line every time she spoke. It's how she started. I don't get it. I don't get what she's trying to. Is she saying that she comes from a middle class family, or is she saying the nation? What is she saying? I'm not even trying to make fun of her. I just don't understand. If anything, I'm the dumb one here. I just don't get it. It's going over my head. All right, here we go. That she's unburdened what has been. I get it now. It all makes sense. Thank you, Hugh. I get it. I missed out on all that. Sorry. I missed out all on that. If you're like a Democrat, or if you voted for Kamala, can you please tell me in the chat what you're most scared of as Trump being president, the president-elect? Can you please let me know in the chat what you're most scared of? I think I have a pretty good view on the conservative side, but I don't have a good view on the more liberal left side. Okay. This is reversing here. I mean... That was my bad. I should have understood. I should have been with the times. I have some on the Democratic side of my friends, they are deathly scared of Trump being president. Like, they're actually scared. Like, they think they're gonna die. Or they think they're gonna go to jail, or they think their rights are going to be taken away, and so forth. And I just want to understand more. I just want to understand. The art of listening, we've lost it, pandas. I think Joe Rogan's bringing it back, but Love thy neighbor, you know what I mean? Trotos, I thought I was gonna die if Kamala became president. Die of starvation. Can't buy groceries. I think at the end, it's like, it doesn't matter where your politics are. If you can't buy groceries, people are not going to care about anything else. Right? First and foremost, like, they need to get like their main things in order. Like, I need to be able to buy groceries at a reasonable price. You know, like, so I can't go out to eat. It's too expensive. I can't make food at home. It's too expensive. Like, what's my next option? And I think not that necessarily Trump would be better for inflation. Like, I don't even 100% agree with that. But track record rise. Hopefully Republicans can lower taxes, stimulate economy, so forth. Eat thy neighbor. Hugh says, I'm troubled by his immigration policy, his stance on federal employees, the deficit, his tax policies will create. Too many things to list here. All right, choose like the top two, and can you go in depth? Can we go into immigration? Can you go in depth? Like, I know we don't have time for everything, but I'm just like, I need to get educated here. What is going on? You're on the soapbox here, Hugh. Go crazy. I'll read and listen. If it didn't happen last time he was president, what makes it think it'll happen this time? People are so extreme. My rights will be taken away if Trump's president. My neighbor's got a lot of fat on them. Wow, that's pretty two different comments right there. One kind of being serious and one kind of I guess I got you short off the trend line here, off the 20 MA. Do I like it? Not bad actually. Coming off the trend line like that. Second entry shorts have not been kind to me. I'll tell you that much. If you reverse on me, I'll take you. I'll take you the other way. I'll take the trap the other way. The traps have been very good here today. The second entry shorts have been bad, but the traps have been very good. I don't think we're gonna get to the trap. I think we're gonna make it low here. It looks like it's pushed down pretty hard. One last time. It's dripping. It made a new low already. Second entry short works out. Very nice. Very nice. The winners are you still rocking the same double pullback? Yeah, two-legged pullbacks. I mean, I'm doing everything. Doing two-legged pullbacks. Always in long. Limit order trading on resistances, supports. It's really about market cycle at the end. You got to be able to read the market cycle. The price action tells you what market cycle you're in. This one right now, I mean, it looks like trading range, right? We got big down, big up. I mean, that's what it looks like, pandas. And it's getting choppy. Lots of overlap. Lots of going in and out of the ranges. Benali Hawk says, immigration. I had illegal families in California. They reported, went to Mexico for 2-3 years as a penalty, came back and are not citizens. It works. Done right. I guess that's one of the good stories. I will say immigration is very difficult in the U.S. Like, it takes like 10 years to become a citizen. Like, I have a lot of friends who went through the citizenship process, and it just takes a long time. But I think with that being said, for those who waited and went through the correct process, like, it's kind of frustrating for those who did do that and seeing how people literally are coming. What I don't understand is this. This is like a thing against Republicans or Democrats. I just don't understand. Can someone explain to me this? Republicans claim that illegal immigrants are taking welfare. How are they applying for welfare if they are illegal immigrants? How are they getting tax benefits from the U.S. government if they are not reporting taxes? How is this possible? Can someone explain this to me? Like, how is it that Illegal immigrants are taking advantage of the welfare system in the United States. I don't get that. You block my comments so I can't soapbox? I didn't block anything. I've never blocked any of your... I never blocked... Unless you're a troll, I don't block your comments. I don't block comments because people have certain political opinions. I'm not that petty. I'm not sure why your comment got blocked, if it did, but maybe break it up. I just made one and it's blocked. I don't get it. It's not... I mean, I didn't do anything. I don't even know what the comment was. I was actually waiting for it. I was wondering why it didn't happen. Okay, so can someone explain to me how does an illegal immigrant take advantage of the United States welfare system? Oh, top chat to live chat. Let's go. Let's do it. Am I missing something? No, I don't think anything's changed. Are we gonna just hang around the previous day's close all day today, Pandas? Outside Barbara, so I don't love it, but I'll take it here. Beggars can't be choosers. I love when the risk is less than 10 points. I kind of like those trades no matter what. I like a solid push up here if we can get it. Very solid push up. I would love it here. Now the trap fails when I enter the trap. Let's see, let's hope. Alright, let me see. Do I have some sort of setting or something? I don't think I do. I don't know. I don't know why you can't see your chat. Sorry if you can't. I am not trying to censor anyone. I believe in the First Amendment wholeheartedly. Pandas! How high can you fly? How high can you fly? I mean, should we just see if we found the big one here? Should we just see how high this can fly? How high can you fly? How high can you fly? I mean, at the end, I can only really make $1,500, so. We're up 235. So I can only make 1,300. Actually, I don't know. Well, we're up only 90. Confused. Well, let's see how much money we make on this one. Actually, let me see here. I can figure out very easily. This was 195. Oops. 195. So I can make basically 1,300. If we make 1,300 profits on this, then we gotta close it. I mean, 1,300 from here. Ooh, I mean, it's like way up here. It's like 13. That'll get me to 1,300. I don't know. Maybe it might happen. Who knows? Solid bull bars here. I'll take it. Winner's Circle trades. I am Puerto Rican, so I take advantage of the welfare system legally to pay for my futures trading tuition. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe write it in like English, translate it into Spanish, and then I'm gonna retranslate it back into English. Maybe then your comment will get through. Whoa, we are gonna lose this runner very quickly here, pandas. It didn't last very long. I think the market is very clear on what it wants to be today, and it's just a very choppy, trading rangey type day. I think that's the case here, pandas, and I don't think I'm gonna try to force it any other way. I'm not gonna try to read it any other way other than what's actually happening. What's actually happening here is that we are just going back and forth, back and forth. Whoo, pandas, we're still alive here. Sorry about that. We are still alive. Alive and well, and this is actually a very good sign. The fact that we couldn't fill this gap here makes me feel like this is actually a very strong uptrend right now. Plus, we got a trap that triggers on the 2500 tick chart. This could really be the one, pandas. We're flying here now. We're absolutely flying. 2 legs up here. Nice second entry long here too. We're coming off our trend line, also off R20 EMA, high or low. I'm hoping this is a nice big one here, pandas. I hope it doesn't fall here. That'd be such a shame. That'd be such a shame, because it has so much potential and it looked really healthy. It looked really good, and it looks like it's gonna drip down now. Darn. I guess the market is making it obvious what kind of day it's gonna be today. I guess for me, I don't really care if I'm here or here, but this is the swing stop loss. The thing that kind of sucks is that we had like $500 of threshold that we lost there because of this move up. Darn, it is what it is. Wow, we are still alive, pandas. Like, I don't understand how we're still alive. Okay, we're dead. It showed us like a little glimmer of hope, but at the end it just died. Jeez, pandas, what kind of market are we in? I mean, I'm gonna trade this as it is. Very choppy, very like it's trading range. You know, I'm reversing it here. I think we're coming back down. Lots of reversals. Oh boy, tick shots me, huh? It does end up tick shotting me here, pandas. That's crazy, right? It actually expanded, right? Expanding pattern here. I hate expanding patterns, right? Higher high, lower low. I absolutely hate expanding patterns. Very difficult to trade, very difficult to predict what's gonna happen. But we got one, right? I thought we were in the clear, but the market wanted to break this pivot low for some reason one more time. Super frustrating, but that's trading, pandas. That is trading. And if you can't handle this type of nonsense, get out of here. You don't deserve to trade. Hugh says you probably have certain words slated to be blocked automatically. Then I don't. That's so crazy. No, I don't. I haven't done anything, and people have said ridiculous things on this chat before. I have never blocked anything. If anything, it's Google's fault. Maybe Google's becoming based. It got so woke it became based. I don't know. I don't touch anything in terms of words. Only thing I do is like get rid of like exclamation marks and like emoticons. Like when they do a bunch in a row, usually it's like spam comments. Gio says in Italy they come to have free sugary or subsidy, like free home, etc. Winter Circle says Gio confirmed it, Panda's time to move back to the old country. That's crazy. Free sugar. You can just live. Man shall not live on bread alone, but on sugar. But Dolly Hawk says in Santa Ana, California, you just go to the local welfare offices and fill out paperwork. Undocumented does not matter, not complicated. Oh, it really is that easy then, huh? It doesn't matter. How would they get it to you? I guess you just put like your address or something. Loco says, I want to travel to Italy so bad. Loco, Panda, where are you from? I'm from the United States of America. Ricardo, good morning. Winter Circle, sorry, I'm catching up. I had an important phone call I had to make. Bunch of break-even stop losses at the end of the year because everyone who knows how to trade is done for the year and on vacation already. Interesting viewpoint. Ricardo says, I got stopped out on my first trade on MFFU account. Still happy trading to play cool. Dying inside, yeah. It's never nice to lose money. I'll tell you that much. All right, this is dripping here. Really failed to break out, and I think it might be a good time to look for a reversal here. Obvious channel to make here. Let's just make it, see what happens. The Winner Circle says, hey, what is about Richard Harris? That guy, goodness gracious. He just never learned. You're right, it literally barcoded here, so we're just sitting on a pause. We're down 295. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's fine. Loco says in 10 micro short on ES. Let's go. If you really are, then you just made a nice move down. Hard to capture any of this, right? Because there's no entries here. But the trading range seems to be somewhat accurate here. If I were to make a trading range here as well. Something like this. It looks like that's what's happening here. It may come back to the bottom of the trading range. Could be possible. Trap does trigger, a little far away from 20 EMA though, but it does trigger here. Sitting on pause, it's just too far. Interesting. I mean, this is just tumbling right now. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. Right, you're thinking follow through here. Typically, you don't have a bar like this unless there's some. Whoa, pandas! We almost made the measure move here. Almost made it actually. I'm looking for a 2500 tick trap. If this trap fails here, I'm looking for the trap on the other side. Hopefully we'll get some good bamboo here. But I'm not sure if we're going to get it. It needs to break a previous candle's high in order for me to enter in. I don't think it's happening, pandas. I don't think it's happening, but we'll see. I don't think it's going to happen. I don't know, but who knows, pandas? Who really knows? Hugh says, it's all good, Panda. This is your chat and stream, so I don't intend to offend anyone. I'll keep my opinions to myself as they have been blocked in the past. So interesting. I've never blocked you, like, at least intentionally, or I've never actually blocked you. The chat is stopping you, then I don't know. I mean, that's really weird because this is Google. I don't think Google really would stop anyone from chatting anything. At least that is woke or left leaning or whatever. Oh well. I was very curious actually. Pandas, I don't know if we're going to get an opportunity to go short here. We're just going to have to let this one go. I could try to go short on the 5-minute chart. Depends if we have follow through here. Okay. Don't know what to say. All right, pushing down. Notice we cannot break a previous pivot high. We are on a breakout, right? Breakout on higher time frames. This looks like a breakout. It looks like it's trickling here on the 500 tick, but on the higher time frames, this looks like a breakout. Might trigger the second entry long on the higher time frame. I would love it. Congrats, Loco. Pandas. Pandas. No follow through. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Pandas. What do I do here? Okay, second entry short, maybe. Ah. It's a dumb trade, but I'll try. It really is a dumb trade. We're above the 20 MA, but I'll try. Whatever. It's above the 20 MA. Whatever, I'll try. Of course, traps immediately. What was I thinking, Pandas? What was I thinking? Of course, traps immediately. What was I even thinking? Why did I go short there? I don't think I can go long here either. With a move down like this, you're thinking one more push down. In my opinion, right? With such a strong move, you're thinking one more leg down. We might not get it, but that's what I'm thinking at least. But jeez Louise, I can't trade today. I'm not understanding the bigger picture. Like the 2500 tick chart is throwing me off. Really throwing me off here. It's just this big leg down. It just bounces right back up. It's insane to me. Maybe this is the trading range. Maybe we found another trading range in the trading range. Trading rangeception. Bounce off V bottoms here. It is what it is. Oh, Pandas! I don't know why I went short there. Dumb trade. Dummy trade there. I mean, it was a dumb trade. You knew a lot of people were waiting for that trap, right? The moment it triggered, it just reversed, and so many people jumped in. My risk was small, which is fine. Like, I don't mind. Like, today I might be like negative $500 day. That's fine. I'll take it, whatever. We're flying now. We are flying. Look at the 5 minute. Like, this is the most confusing thing. Strong bear bar ending near its low, and then V bottoms. It just bounces right back up. Like, this is very hard for me to trade when it does this. I always look for follow through. That's the problem. That's the problem, man. I always look for follow through. I gotta stop. There was something Albrook said that just really stuck with me, and I just gotta let it go. I gotta let it go sometimes, especially on days like today. He says Panda's messing with me, I'm sure. Hello. Gilbert. Good morning, BBM. Just got 9K approved for payout tick trader direct funding. Let's go. Congrats. We don't use tick trader here, but you know, we do have Apex. Use code BBM. Panda's messing. I'm really not. I'm not that. I don't do that. I have certain principles. I don't like to. You know, no matter how much you disagree with me, as long as you're not being a nuisance, and especially if I say like I'm like actually curious and ask a genuine question, like I'm almost offended you think I did something. Almost offended. Wow, what is this? How do you trade this, Pandas? I'm about to just sell here. Limit orders everywhere. What is this? What am I looking at? It looks disgusting. What Albrook says. Albrook says like basically any strong bear bar, bull bar, big bear bar, big bear bar, big bear bar. You always expect follow through. Always, not always, but you can assume there'd be follow through. Very high chance. But like lately, even with strong bear bar, strong bull bars, you'll see a bunch here. There's very rarely follow through. Actually, it's more the opposite. More likely not follow through. So you know how I always say it's always crazy when I see like a maniac just go long at a strong bull bar, but they do it, and I'm just not used to doing stuff like that. This is like crazy. I can't go long here. I can't go short here. What am I supposed to do here, pandas? This is just weird. I'm thinking it's loving the previous day's close. Just look at the daily chart. It just looks like it's not trying to make a decision today. We have big news tomorrow, pandas. We have CPI numbers, which is inflationary numbers. I'm guessing these numbers are still high impact news. News lately has been pretty weak. Pretty weak. Even on huge news, I think the news has been pretty weak. Winner circle staying flat is a position too, absolutely. Not on this channel. Content, that's the main position. Let's get it, pandas. Let's get it. Hugh says, all I said... I can read this comment. I don't know. Illegal immigrants aren't eligible for welfare. Inflation is multifaceted and not one party's fault. The other party doesn't educate themselves enough to learn the facts, pretty much. I agree with that. But according to like someone up above, they said that you literally just have to apply. You don't have to be a citizen to apply for welfare in like California. I guess it depends on the state. Maybe it's state dependent. I'm going long here, pandas. I'm gonna go long here. If we get a second entry long, I'll go long. I need to break this low though first. Come to Papa. Wow, I can't even see that comment. Illegal immigrants don't even have social security numbers, lol. I know. But someone above says literally you just apply and you can get it. I don't know who to believe. But I believe in California or somewhere, like in a place like California, you could probably apply. But then that aid is probably state funded. I don't know if it's federally funded. I don't know. I could be wrong. I have no idea. I have no idea if these things work. Looking for a new high here. Let's see if we get it. Back to the top of the trading range. Today could be just a limit order day, and I just like am being so foolish, just trying to take any of these breakouts here. It'd be very foolish for me even trying any of these. Ooh, okay. Content. Doubling up. If we get a trap here, I'm doubling up. Oof. I don't know how I'm still alive. I actually don't know how I'm still in this trade. Alright. This day is impossible to trade. I can't do it. It's very difficult to trade here, pandas. I mean, I should be going long here. I should be going long down here. I honestly should just be going long. I should just go long somewhere down here. I don't know. Maybe off this midline of their trading range. What is that? Ew, brother. What is that? Welfare is a federal program. That's why I think it's like... Is that true, though? I don't know. I think states can have their own welfare. Like maybe the actual welfare system is federal, but welfare as in like a lowercase w, like financial aid basically. I think could be state run. I actually have no idea. That could be fake news. I have no idea. We're getting clobbered here, pandas. We're getting absolutely clobbered, but just a tough day. Tough day. I don't know what to do here. I truly don't know what to do here. Ruben says, horrible day, down 1.2. Hughes says, illegal immigrants get free public school education, the free health care if they go to emergency rooms and just don't pay, just like Americans that go to emergency rooms with no health care. Interesting. I don't even want to take this trap. I don't even want to take this trap. I just don't know what's happening here. Big down, big up. I have no idea. Bill 7 up 120, up 200, then down over 1K, then back up positive. What a journey. I mean, you're better off today just not doing anything. You're better off today just sitting on your paws. It's what kind of craziness today is bringing. So what a tough day. What a tough day. It's just not making sense. To me, what's more frustrating is just this is not making sense. Not that it has to, but it's just more than usual not making sense. Let's just say that. Got a trap trade here. All right. So there's some confusion about how illegal immigrants are getting access to benefits or whatnot. It seems like, I don't know. The chat has made it more confusing. I guess I gotta do my own research. Let me ask the good old Googles. How do illegal immigrants get welfare? You got a second inch short here. Do I like it? I have no clue, pandas. I actually have no clue here. Looks like a strong bull bar to me. What in the actual world is happening? What am I supposed to do here? I don't care if I miss a trade here. I'm just so confused. Oh, so now if you sell up here above the 20 MA, ends up working out. Sick. So sick. We're just loving the previous day's close, to be honest. I think that's what today is. Just keep trading towards the previous day's close and scale in, and you'll do fine today. I think I just got scalped today. I don't know how much. I'm not sure if my runners will do anything today. This is just. Oof. Trap fails. Trap really failing here. I don't know if I want to hold and find out. I don't know if I want to hold it and find out. I don't know if I want to extend my stop loss. I don't know if I want to extend my stop loss for this. It almost makes sense too, but in fact, I'll take a trap trade on the 5-minute chart if it does trigger. Whatever happens, happens here. Okay, interesting. Almost get stopped out, but I'm just holding. Just holding, pandas. It's like a decent push up here. If it's a strong bull bar, I'm extending it. Eh. Struggling. Absolutely struggling here.
Target filled.
Alright, I'll take it there, pandas. I'll take a little bamboo off. Let's see if we can get a runner here. Why not? Why not, pandas? Why not us? Why not us? Wow. If you want to talk about inflation, this market is getting absolutely deflated here. What in the world? I need this market to get inflated right now. Jeez Louise. It's making a huge triangle on the 5-minute chart. That's what it looks like. Just a triangle looking type thing here. Today's not the day for runners. I don't know why I keep trying, pandas. I don't know why I keep trying to get runners. It's not the day. It's not the day. It's not the day for runners, pandas. He says, if I talk about inflation, it gets blocked. Interesting. That's just so interesting to me. Why inflation out of all things? I agree. I don't think Republicans necessarily reduce inflation. I don't know. I don't really understand the whole money supply thing and creating inflation by buying bonds or whatnot. I'm not too privy for that about that, but I'm pretty certain that inflation itself is, I don't know. I think it's caused by both parties, but who knows? Hopefully Republicans can lower inflation. They can reduce the balance sheet, but is Trump really going to reduce the balance sheet? Who knows? Trap trade here, possibly on the 5-minute chart. Look at this nasty price action, pandas. Big up, big down, big up. Question is, like, and the problem is, I don't mind it being a trading range. I just don't know where the trading ranges is, right? I don't know where the support resistances are. Charles, how was yesterday's trading? It was bad on this one account, but good on my other accounts. We're down 640 today. It's not the worst. It's not the worst, pandas. I mean, you gotta admit it. It's not the worst thing in the world. It's not the best thing in the world, but it's not the worst thing in the world. You gotta admit that, at least. Look, we just love the previous day's close. I just feel like I should just keep trading down towards the previous day's close. It's like actually long here, but completely overlapping bars. Like, I almost just want to sell it here. Okay, strong bull bar ending on its high. Hard to sell. Hard to just sell that, but there might be traders doing it. There might be traders doing it, pandas. What a wacky trade here. I guess I'll take a trap. I don't know. Some pressure is building up here. Could break out. Strong bull bar ending on its high. No follow through though. Upsides. The geometry on your chart is diabolical. I got a lot of drawings on my chart. Let me get rid of a couple things. It's a little messy here. Let's just focus on what is actually happening here. I don't even know. I don't even know anymore. Turtles, you're up 3K yesterday? No. I was up like 1,500 yesterday. Down currently like 640. Jeez, look at that. Like, how do you trade that? How do you actually trade that? Like, the strong bull bar ending on its high. How do you sell something like this? Who in their right mind is selling that? It's straight up demon possession. By the way, speaking of demon possession, Heretic, I don't understand. The critic reviews are insane. Even like when I go on like YouTube to look at reviews, they are raving about it. I thought it was one of the worst movies I've ever seen in my life. I was literally just talking the entire time. I don't understand. I just don't understand what makes it so good. I think the acting was actually very good though. Hugh says he added to the federal debt $8 trillion. The current guy in office added $4.5 trillion to national debt. Have you seen The Penguin on HBO? No, I haven't. It looks interesting. I mean, Colin Farrell, great actor. I was actually like surprised that that was him. I was like, that's Colin Farrell. I haven't seen him in a long time, to be honest, like in anything. But I was shocked that he was the Penguin. Fire show, 10 out of 10. All right, I'll check it out. I mean, it does look good. It looks dark and grimy. That's kind of how I like imagine it being. I'm not gonna lie, like the first original I don't know about the original. I don't know what we call the original Batmans. The Batmans with what's his name? So many Batmans. All right, what's going on here? Ooh. Should I go short here? Should I be a little bit wild and go short here, pandas? This goes against everything I believe in. But I really think we're going to try to come back. Actually, I don't know. Maybe we're bouncing off of it now. I just don't know. Is this the breakout here, pandas? Is this the actual breakout now? Oh, interesting. I guess I should just sold it here. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna come back to the previous day's close again. I think that's our edge, right? Coming back to the previous day's close. It's just gonna keep loving that level here. What? Pandas, I truly have no idea how to trade this. I guess pandas. Let's do the thing it's been doing for a long time. Just gonna sell here. See what happens. It's been doing this for a long time, going back and forth, back and forth. Is it the time I enter in, it's gonna blast off? It is, isn't it? Yeah, that's what I thought. The moment I enter, this is when it actually blasts off, huh? I'm so bad at trading these type of days. Come
Target
back.
filled.
Coming out break even. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Pandas. I truly have no idea what's happening. Pandas, what I do here? Michael Keaton, yes. The Michael Keaton Batmans are they're pretty dark and grimy in my opinion. I mean, I guess. I don't know, pandas. I guess I could have held a short. I could have held it. I just don't know anymore, pandas. I don't know how to trade anymore. What's trading? It's like my first day of trading ever. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to sell this. I should be buying here, huh? I should be buying here. I don't know why I'm trying to sell this here. I should be buying. What am I thinking, pandas? What am I actually thinking here? Should I just be buying here? I guess that answers that question. I should have just been buying. Oh, I can't take that much pain. I should have just bought there, pandas. I don't know what I'm doing. Pandas! Alright, I'm done. I don't know, pandas. This is so confusing. I don't know. Maybe I should have held it a little bit longer. I don't know. I will one day master days like this, pandas. One day I will master days like this. It's absolutely diabolical. I will master days like this one day, pandas. What will it cost, though? It will cost a lot of pain and agony. But I will master days like today. It does eventually come back down to the previous day's close, it looks like. Oh, it actually doesn't. It actually has not yet. Okay, we finally touch the previous day's close. I don't know if that means anything. I don't know if that's significant in any way, but we finally did it, pandas. We did it. Whoopie-doo. Only after getting stopped out. Last trade of the stream. Let's try to find something here. Take a trap trade. One last shot. One last shot for glory. And glory we shall not see. I mean, it's crazy to buy there. It's crazy just to buy there, huh? Just gotta buy here, huh? You just gotta you gotta do the opposite of everything you would want to do on days like today. You gotta buy here on that trap. Just gotta buy it. Pandas, I just can't do it. You gotta buy it straight up. You gotta do everything opposite. Jeez, that's crazy. Just to buy it right there. It's crazy to do that. It's absolutely crazy to do that. It'd be insane to try that. Yet people have done it. People are doing it. People are doing it. Yet people do it. They just buy right there. That's so crazy to me. What a push up. What a push up. I can't do it. I can't trade on days like this. I just don't know what to do. Comes right back down to the previous day's close. I'm gonna just have to do something crazy, pandas. I'm just have to do something that doesn't make any sense, but I'm gonna try. I'm just gonna buy here and see what happens. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise, pandas. We're just gonna buy here and see what happens. Whatever. I'm gonna take every reversal from now on that goes towards the previous day's close. I'm gonna take every reversal that comes back down to it. I don't even care, pandas. I'm going to take every reversal coming back to the previous day's close. That's my strategy right now. Is this actually breaking out now? I don't trust it. I don't trust anything today. Taking every reversal back to the 20 EMA. I'm going to scale in too. Wide stop. Just a wide stop here. We're gonna keep reversing it back. Every reversal will take it. Trap trade. I could care less. So tilted right now, pandas. Like, how do you buy this right here? How do you do that? Is there a tick counter on Ninja Trader? Yes. There's one. There's a native one. Trap does trigger here. I typically would like to take this trap, but not today, pandas. Obviously, failing here. Like, this trap fails right away. I'm expecting this trap to fail right away. I only take the reversal if it's above my original reversal. Then I'll take another reversal back down. Only if it's above my original reversal. That trap fails. Goodness gracious. I'm going to take every reversal back to the previous day's close from now on. Second entry long here.
Target filled.
I want to trade, pandas. Like I said, I'm just taking every reversal back. BPCF gang gang, welcome, welcome. Push down. Pretty strong push down, looks like. I should have bought that reversal. I should have bought that reversal coming back to the previous day's close. I should have bought it. Don't know why I did it. Well, I know why I did it. It was just not enough. It's not enough to even... It's not worth it for me. I want at least 10-point gap. Give me 10-point gap so I can make at least 10 points coming back to the previous day's close. I mean... It makes absolutely no sense, but let's try. Let's get a decent push down here if we can. There's absolutely no sense to try this, but I'm going to try anyways. Why do I have a runner? No clue. Why do I have a runner? I have no clue. It's not like it's going to actually run. Pandas can dream.
Target filled.
First target filled. Pandas can dream, right? Pandas can dream today. Pandas can dream! Low of the day here. Strong bear bars right now. This is a trading range day today, so I'm actually expecting this to reverse and take me back out. I'm almost expecting it at this point, to be honest. Just sad. But I'm almost expecting basically to be taken out here. I should be taking this reversal back up to the previous day's close. I should have been. What was I thinking, pandas? What was I even thinking? Thinking that we could have a dream today. I should have just bought the reversal coming back to the previous day's close. That's what I should have done. Why didn't I do it? I have no clue. I should have, though. Well, I didn't do it. I have no clue. But Panda's going to have a dream here. Panda's going to have a dream. Let's dream once, Pandas. One time, Pandas. Let's have a big dream here. Pandas can dream too. Pandas can absolutely dream too. Super Saiyan! Come on, Pandas! Come on! Uh-oh. 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 I mean, give me some pivots to work with, please. Give me some pivots to work with. Don't make it so obvious you're just going to bounce right here. Like, how obvious can you make it? You're just going to bounce off of the previous pivot low. Like, are you going to make it that obvious? We're going to bounce all... Wow. I don't care. We have a dream. Pandas, I have a dream. The all pandas traded equally. Come on. Come on. No. Yes. Go down to the downside. Red blood. That's all I want to see. Yeah. That's not good. That's not good. I'll hold. I don't care. I don't know why I'm holding this, but I don't care. Because we have a dream, pandas. We have a dream. Do you believe, pandas? Do you believe? Second entry short could save us. This could save us, pandas. Second entry short could save us. I'll tell you what, though. I'm not going to take this. If it reverses, I'm just going to take the L. Do you believe, pandas? Do you believe? Absolutely reversing it here. If it traps, I'm coming back to the previous day's close. I do not care. This market is absolutely just vicious here. We're going to come back to the previous day's close if this triggers. We're getting out of our trade, and we're going to come back to the previous day's close. That's what we're planning to do right now. Right about now, pandas. It stops me out, but doesn't enter me in. And it blasts off. Pandas. What kind of tomfoolery is this? It doesn't even enter into my trade. It doesn't even enter into my trade. It just blasts right through it. It takes my stop out, but doesn't enter my trade, pandas. What nonsense is this? What kind of tomfoolery are we witnessing here? What in the world, pandas? Why? Why? I'll take it here, whatever. If it fills me here, I'll take it. Coming back to the previous day's close. Most obvious target here. We get smashed. If we get smashed here, I'm done trading today. If we get smashed, I'm done trading today. It will smash you. If we get smashed here, pandas, I'm done. I'm done for today. We're getting smashed, aren't we? We're absolutely getting smashed. Pandas! Ah! Ew, brother. What's that? What's that? Ew, brother. What's that? Pandas, it's just... What do we do here? Wait, what are we doing here right now, pandas? What's actually happening? What are we doing here? Stops me out, then goes up the way I want it to go. Only after it stops me out. I'm sitting on my pause. I don't even care anymore. last tilt trade of the day right here, pandas. Get ready for it. It's absolutely the last tilt trade of the day. Why? Why must you do this? Last tilt trade of the stream. We're absolutely insanely tilted right now. If I die, I die, pandas. This is the last one. The final straw. Oof. That is not looking pretty right now, pandas. I'll tell you what, that does not look pretty. But if we lose this, that's it. That's it. Not much more we can do after that. We lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Simple as that right now, pandas. Goodness gracious. Whew. That's a good sign. Somewhat of a good sign. That's not a good sign. All right, getting closer. New low was created. Limit orders up the wazoo right now, but either we die or we live, pandas. One of the two. It's looking decent. Too early to say. It's looking like potentially could actually make this move. Looking for a 1-to-1 trade, simple as that. If we can't even make a 1-to-1 trade, Pandas, then so be it. So be it, Pandas. Might as well become a Soviet. Because this so be it. Always a heart attack in this situation. Heart attack trading. That's what this is. But why? Why can't you make a 1-to-1? Please make a 1-to-1. That's all I ask for. Just a 1-to-1. Is that too much to ask for? I'll take the hit. I think it's worth it. If this pushes down, that's a really good sign for us. If it pushes up, it's a bad sign for us. So how many times it takes you out break even? Oh my gosh. Can I handle another push up? Can I handle another push up here, Pandas? I don't know if I can. Are we gonna get it? We're so close. Pandas, we're so close. Why? Why? Oh, we're so darn close, Pandas.
Target filled.
Oh, Pandas. We still have two more. We still have two more. Pandas. Second target about to be reached. Second target. Oh, so close. Panda, so close. Second target, so close. Is that all we're getting today? That might be it. That might be all we get. Darn. Almost got that 1-to-2. I mean, that makes the most sense, right? That's what you're looking for your next target, the 1-to-2. And I'm not gonna like cut myself short here because I was expecting this to reverse all the way back up and take me out. You know, you gotta try to get that 1-to-2. That's what I'm trying to get here. We might still get it. I'm happy with that 1-to-2. And this runner is for the potential, right, of something really big happening. Like if we caught the top, like the absolute reversal here. The breakout. That's what this is good for. Darn, no follow through. I mean, that's what today is. I don't know why I'm expecting anything else. I don't know why I'm expecting anything else today. I really don't know why. Why do I expect anything else today? I should just take it out here. But we have a dream, Pandas. We have a dream that all pandas can trade equally. We had a dream that all pandas were profitable. We have a dream. Just hold. Nothing to lose here. I'll be slightly red today, but it's all good. I mean, we had a dream. That was more important today, pandas. That we hold on to our dreams. What's more important today is that we hold on to our dreams, pandas. That's what's most important. Sometimes your dreams get crushed. Sometimes, pandas, your dreams just get crushed and there's nothing you can do about it. Unfortunately, pandas, I don't think we're going to make it very far. But pandas! Pandas, the dream lives! The dream lives! Pandas! Huh! Do not take me out! Do not! Pandas, the dream lives. Pandas, the dream lives. Pandas! The dream lives! If we get second to short, I'm going Super Saiyan. Second to short, Super Saiyan mode. If we get that second to short, Pandas, Super Saiyan. I don't think we're getting it. The dream is still alive, but I don't think it's going to last very long. Pandas, I don't think the dream's going to last very long here. Goodness gracious. What? The dream lives. The dream's alive. Pandas. Second to short, come on. No. Stop. Stop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bars in a row. You got to hate it. You have to hate it. They hate us because they ain't us. They hate us because they ain't us. Pandas! Give me the second to short, please. Please! Don't take me out. Ah, pandas! So annoying! Why, pandas? Why is this market like this today? Goodness gracious, so frustrating. Ah! If you tell me a profession that's frustrating, I'll tell you a profession that's 50 million times more frustrating. It's called trading futures. Goodness gracious, pandas. Pandas. I mean, what in the world was that? Why? Why? It was like one tick away from the 1 to 2 risk reward. Look how close it was. Do you see this, pandas? I was waiting for the 1 to 2 risk reward. And it just did not give it to me, pandas. Like, we were so close. Why? Why can't you just give me my 1 to 2 risk reward? Please. Alright, we're coming back to the previous day's close now. I mean, this is just a choppy day. It's a trading range day today, pandas. I mean, what else did we expect today? I'm gonna take one more trade back up to the previous day's close. We're gonna end it. We're gonna end it there. One more trade to previous day's close. We're gonna end it there. Only if we get a trap trade to it. I'm not gonna take it like this. Take the trap trade to it. This is obvious what the market wants to do today. It's just pure trading range. Oh boy, how frustrating was that, pandas? How frustrating was that? So close to triggering that second entry short too. Last trade of the stream here. Here we go. Ew, bruh. What's that? Man, I don't know about this one. I don't know about that one. Huh. Holding. Thinking. Interesting here. I don't know. It's like too long. Now you want to do it, huh? Now you want to go down, don't you? I don't know, I'll try. Ugh, doesn't make any sense. Let's just buy down here. Should be buying down here. Should be absolutely buying down here. This makes absolutely no sense paying this. I should be buying down here. This makes absolutely no sense, but I'm taking it.
Target filled.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'll take a trap trade here. I don't know. Should be buying here. Should be buying. Just double tops. It's just double tops. Or double bottoms here. Double bottoms here. I should be buying. I should be buying pants. I don't know what. I'm a madman. I'm absolutely tilted here. All right. All right. Double bottom it is. Oh, if I bought here, I would have made good bamboo already. I should have bought there. I mean, should I do the thing that's been happening? I mean, should I do the thing that's been happening for a long time? Should I do the thing that's been happening for a long time? Just sell at the end of the close on the 5-minute chart. Look at the 5-minute chart. Literally, it's been going ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Literally ding donging all day. Let's ding dong it back. Don't be a ding dong. Let's ding dong this thing back, pandas. It does trigger, but not interested. Not interested in that. Should I be interested in that? I don't know. Maybe a second interest short, I'll be interested, but man, it's hard. I'd rather ding dong this back. I feel like this is a better trade. I feel like this is a better trade to wait for. Pure trading range on the 5-minute chart, essentially what it is. What do I do here, pandas? Second just short. I don't know if I can take it. All right, pandas. Last trade of the stream. Last trade of the stream, and we're still alive. And we're and we are last trade of the stream, and we're interesting. I thought we're dead. I thought we were absolutely dead there. I thought we're 100% dead there. And now we're dead. All right, pandas, I'm done. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. What a crazy day. I hated everything about today's price action. But pandas, we did it anyways together. And pandas, that's what matters. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, there's big news tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Make sure you put in your calendars. I'll see you guys then. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye. Thanks for sticking around.